Okay, this is how to check VOO ETF historical data online.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
You can type this in on Google or Microsoft Edge or Bing directly, and you can see you have different information like so. You even have a more in-depth website in investing.com. As you can see the time frame of the dividend or historical data or the history. You can click the drop down arrow. You can go to the weekly, as this is every week, or the monthly, and this is every month. And you can see on the right hand screen we have the change in terms of percentages. My favorite website is the macrotrends.net because, well, you get 14 years of this historical price history or data. If you were to scroll down, it dates back all the way from 2010 to the present. And if you were to scroll down, this breaks back the historical data or history by year. And that's personally my favorite. All links will be in the video description down below. Catch you in the next one.